Welcome to iLearn English, the perfect channel for beginner learners who want to improve their English skills. In today's video, we are going to analyze 5 scenes together to learn new vocabulary and practice our sentence structure. This video is for beginner learners as it will help build a strong foundation in English and feel more confident communicating in the language. In addition, today's video is going to be a special one. We're going to have some fun and learn some English along the way. Let's start with these two men and two women. What are they doing? Excellent. They are having a business meeting. A business meeting. Now, during this business meeting, what are they doing? Great. They are discussing their business. Discuss. If you are also thinking about them sitting around a table, then your answer makes sense. Now, what do you think about this business meeting? Perfect. This looks like a successful business meeting. Successful. Also, we can say that they work as a team. They work as a team. Now, try to describe the scene by yourself. First of all, the scene starts with a woman in a long sleeved white shirt doing something. What is it? Great. She's opening the curtains. Now, what is this place? Good. It's a fitting room. A fitting room. And what is the other woman doing? If you simply answer that the woman is looking at herself in a mirror, your answer is correct. But if you answer that the woman is trying on an orange dress, then I have to congratulate you for your perfect answer. Try on a dress. It's up to you now to describe the scene using the vocabulary we have just mentioned. This scene is about people walking, isn't it? Easy. Shall we move on to the next scene? Hold on. What do we call people in large numbers? Crowd? Great. A crowd of people walking on the street. A crowd of people. Now, may I ask you about the weather? Perfect. The weather is sunny. Sunny. It's up to you now to describe the scene using the vocabulary we have just mentioned. You may describe many other details that I have forgotten here. How can we describe the men and the women in the scene? Perfect. They looked like a couple or couple of lovers. What are they doing? Remember, two actions are needed here. Excellent. A couple is walking on the sidewalk. They are holding hands. If you add they are talking, then you are also correct. We also notice people, pigeons, and old buildings in this scene. Now look at the scene and try to describe it using your own words. Let's end with this easy scene. How can we describe it? There are so many possible answers. For example, you can say a man raising his arms. However, there are better answers. You may say, this man is celebrating. Even better, this man is raising his arms in excitement. If you answer by saying, this man is doing a victory pose, then you are an English champion. Now, how does this man feel? Happy? Yes, it's correct. But you'd better say he's excited, enthusiastic, or thrilled. Last question. What is he wearing? Wonderful. This man is wearing a suit. A suit. That's all for today's video. I hope you found this practice helpful in your English language learning journey. Remember, learning a new language takes time and effort, but with consistent practice and exposure to the language, you can make progress every day. Don't forget to subscribe to iLearn English for more beginner friendly language tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.